Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. We are going to talk about a new topic today. Are you ready? Let's go, friends. As I said in our last lesson, we have 26 letters in English, 5 vowels, and the other one are all consonants. What's the vowels? A, E, I, O, and U. Now, what is important about vowels and consonants? In English, when we have one from a thing, we use a or an before words. If a word starts with vowels, we use an before that. And if a word starts with consonant, we use a before that. Now, look at my examples. For example, pen. A pen. Why we use a before pen? Because pen starts with P and P is consonants. A book, a car, a chair. All of them start with consonant. But the other one, like an apple, an umbrella, an orange, an egg. Apple, umbrella, orange, and egg, all of them start with vowels, so we use an before that words. The important thing is that some letters sometimes are vowel and sometimes are consonants. For example, about H. H is sometimes vowel, like here, an hour, an hour. Hour start with H, but in pronunciation, it actually starts with a. Because of that, we use an before that. But about house. House is also start with H, but here H has he sound and he is consonant. So we use a before that, a house. Or about you. In umbrella, U has a sound, so it's vowel, and we use an before that, an umbrella. But about the word university, university. Actually, it starts with U, but in pronunciation, it starts with ye. So, ye is consonant, and before the word that starts with consonant, we use a university, a house, but an hour, an umbrella. So you have to be careful about this point. Okay guys, now you know all the things about vowels, consonants, and when we use a, when we use an before words. I prepared some examples for you. Please answer them and write them in the comment. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, and leave comments for me. Thank you. See you guys. Bye.